What's up, everyone? Earth Memphis here. And I'm at the Ningbo International Airport on my way back to Bangkok, Thailand. Major security immigration. Yeah, the last day in Vietnam for me. I definitely will be back. And Da Nang is my favorite. I love this airport. And yeah, it's there we go. We got Vietnam Airlines, Eva Air over there. This is one of the most beautiful airports I've been to. So it's a very small international terminal, but it's really nice. Bathrooms are really nice. Everything about it. Got some food. Just walk down here to show you guys a little bit of the concourse. I got a little bit of time before my flight. It's February 4th, 2026. And headed back to Thailand, Bangkok, Thailand. Just been while since I've been in Thailand. It's been a whole month, and ready to get back to Thailand. Miss Thailand. Hello. Xin chào. You too. Xin chào is how you say hello in Vietnam. Yeah, I'm ready to get back to Thailand, but I'm gonna miss Vietnam. I'm gonna miss Da Nang.